Hello everyone. I don't have a holder for my new phone yet, so a lot of this is going to be handheld. Well, everything's going to be handheld basically. So I'm not sure how I'm going to show the cutting and everything, but uh, this adapter bent and it wouldn't stay on the pole. It just flopped around, so we weren't getting reception on channels the 2 and 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So I'm going to try to fix this and see if we get more channels or get the channels back. Okay, as you can tell, this piece of wood is a little bit thicker than the bracket, so I'll have to cut it down, which is better than having to add to it. And what I'll do is I want to measure it just a little bit longer, so if I make mistakes, I can always fix them. And the depth should be pretty good. I'm not sure if I needed to go the whole way up to here, because the main thing is the tube that this goes on is going to catch down on these down here. These outer ones don't catch on the tube, they're too far out. So if it's just a little bit shy of the height, I don't think it'll matter for this. So I'll get to cutting. I'll use these two push sticks, one from the back and one from the side, to push it through the blade. Okay, here's the cut piece. And let's see how this fits. Looks like it's going to go sweet. There, look at that. It went in. So now let me see. Now I can take this out and cut this on my bandsaw. Okay, here's the before. And this is the aftermath. Sorry, but that'll do. I actually didn't have to cut all this off in here because the size of the tube, you never get down this far, so I could have left some of that in, but oh well. This will still work. Now I have to drill for where the U-bolt goes in on this side and this side. Okay, just for the added effect, I added 2 washers here so that I wasn't on the same threads whenever I turn these on, in case I did a lot of cross threading or mashing of the threads. That way they're in a different position, but it's a lot higher now, so we'll see if this works better. See if the antenna worked. So let me get the TV on. Now, I wasn't getting channel 2, and I was having really big issues with channel 6 also. So let's see what happens here. Ah, it's coming in. Woohoo! Look at that. I got channel 6. Now let's go down. Channel 4 worked. Just to make sure. Yes, it's still coming in. And the big one was channel 2. I couldn't get channel 2 in at all. It wasn't giving me anything. Okay, so it's coming up with KDKA HD. Yes, I got channel 2 again. Wonderful. So now I can watch the weather and traffic reports in the morning before work. So I hope you have a good day, and just remember that if we endeavor to treat other people the way we want to be treated, no matter what they are acting towards us, that this world would be a much better place. Have a good day, everyone.